If you watched cable television, I mean, anytime before the streaming era really took off, you remember that sound?
Yeah, yeah, that telltale sign.
Exactly. The screen might flash a little, maybe an audio glitch, and then you'd hear those touch tone sounds.
The beep, boop, beep.
That was it. That was the clunky, audible cue tone signaling a local ad break was coming.
It was so disruptive and not very precise at all. Today, I mean, in the world of 4K video and hyper-personalized advertising, you need something else entirely.
Something silent.
Silent, frame accurate, and just incredibly sophisticated. You need a digital sniper to manage billions of ad impressions.
And that digital sniper, that technological marvel, is SCTE-35. So welcome to the deep dive. Today we are decoding the silent but absolutely critical pulse of the modern streaming ad industry.
Right. SCTE-35 is, at its core, the industry standard for what's called digital program insertion, or DPI. And the key concept to grasp here is in-band signaling.
In-band meaning it's literally inside the content feed.
Exactly. It's not a separate signal. It's a tiny digital packet that moves synchronously, embedded right inside the video stream itself, the MPEG transport stream.
Okay, wait. So if it's glued to the video stream like that, why is that so important? Wouldn't my internet lagging still mess up the timing?
Ah, but that's the beauty of it. If the video stream slows down because of, network congestion, the SCTE-35 signal slows down perfectly with it.
Oh, I see.
So the ad server gets the signal at the exact moment the viewer stream hits that specific frame. It guarantees zero timing errors.
Okay, so let's look closer at this digital pulse. Its main job is pretty simple, right? At this exact frame, stop the show for precisely 30 seconds.
That's the gist of it. But how it communicates that is where it gets interesting. It basically speaks in two main dialects.
Two dialects.
Yeah. First, there's the legacy method, a very rigid switch called splice-insert.
Okay.
It's just a simple cue out to start the ad and then a cue in to go back to the show. It's hard and fast.
And the modern, more sophisticated approach.
That's where you get the time signal, combined with what's called a segmentation descriptor.
Okay, so what's the difference?
The time signal points to the precise time marker, but the segmentation descriptor adds all the context. It separates the when from the what.
So it's not just start an ad break, it's start a national ad break or begin a regional blackout.
Exactly. Or even just marking a chapter start for video on demand. That nuance is what drives all the customization.
That makes perfect sense. So SCTE-35 is like the conductor's baton for this whole streaming orchestra. It's silent, but it's telling the ads, violins when to start, and the movie, the drums, when to stop.
That's a great analogy. And that baton's journey starts way back at the studio. The broadcast automation system sends an instruction using SCTE-104.
Okay, what's SCTE-104?
Think of it as the in-house signal saying, hey, get an ad break ready. Then the video encoder takes that order, translates it, and injects the SCTE-35 packet, the execute the ad break command, right into the mainstream.
And that's when that packet hits the big leagues, right? It travels to the cloud for what we call server-side ad insertion.
Precisely. The stream hits a cloud service, like, say, AWS Media Tailor. The server there spots that SCTE-35 marker.
And instead of my TV asking for an ad,
the server does all the work. It stops the main video manifest and instantly stitches in a personalized ad tailored just for you. That's SSAI.
This is where the scale just becomes mind-boggling. I mean, think about something like the IPL cricket finals in India. You're talking 32 million concurrent viewers.
All hitting an ad break at the exact same second.
That kind of request volume would just, it would melt any server farm.
And that's the infrastructure problem SCTE-35 solves. Because the server knows the break is coming, thanks to that pre-triggered packet, it can prepare and batch the whole process centrally.
So it turns 32 million potential crashes
into millions of unique controlled streams that are handled efficiently up in the cloud. It's an incredibly elegant solution.
But what if, the system hiccups? What if that personalized ad isn't ready in time? Do we get that horrible, awkward black screen?
Never. There's a safety net called zero slight logic. If the ad can't be fetched and inserted in time, and we're talking a window of less than 200 milliseconds.
Oh, that's fast.
The system uses the duration from the SCTE-35 packet to just instantly collapse the break or maybe show a simple filler slate.
Yeah.
The point is you, the viewer, never see that black hole of non-content.
So to wrap this up, we've gone from these noisy, disruptive analog tones to a completely silent, frame-accurate digital packet that powers hyper-personalized ads for, well, a global audience.
It really is a fundamental shift, and it leaves you with a provocative thought. In this digital world, timing really is money. SCTE-35 is the invisible, precise metronome that ensures the commerce funding all this content never ever misses a beat. It completely changes what it means to watch live television, turning one single broadcast into millions of customized experiences happening all at once.